In this video, I'll show you how to create FTP accounts and how to configure the FTP accounts using the desktop FTP clients. So for creating the FTP account, you have to log into the control panel. So I'll just log into my control panel. That's it, it has logged in. And you have to scroll all the way down to the file section. Okay, here it is. In the file section, you have to click on FTP accounts icon. And in this page, you have to enter the details. Here you have to enter the username for the FTP account. I'll give it as test FTP. The password you have to enter. You have to enter a strong password. Okay, this is pretty strong. You have to re-enter the password. Okay, password has been missed. Now you have to enter a particular directory path over here. By default, it will give the access to this public HTML. Inside that, it will create a folder called as test FTP and will give the access. In case you want to modify that, you can always do that. And for setting a quota, it will give you two options. One is a definite number of quota that you have to enter. Second one is limited quota. For now, I'll set as unlimited quota. You can always change the quota even after creating the account. So I will leave this as it is and I'll click on create FTP account button. Okay, the account has been created. Account created test FTP. You can see that as you scroll down. You can see the account over here. There is an option here to change the password of the FTP account. There is an option to change the quota for this account, and here it will be showing how much of quota has been utilized. For now, unlimited quota has been allocated, but 0 MB of the quota has been utilized. And if you want, you can configure the FTP account on a FTP desktop client like FileZilla. So I'll just open a FileZilla and I'll just show you. FileZilla is a freeware software. You can download it and you can install it on your machine. And using the FileZilla client software, you can connect to the FTP server over here and you can directly upload and download files. So basically FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol and it uses the protocol number 21 for connection. So I already have FileZilla. I'll just show it to you. So this is the basic interface of FileZilla. In the host, you have to enter the IP or the server name of the FTP server. In the username over here, you have to enter the username that we just now created. The password you have to enter over here. In the port section, you can enter the port number 21. Once you have entered it, just click on Quick Connect. So it will be asking for a certificate verification. Just click on OK. That's it. So it has been connected. As you can see, I can see the remote site section over here. So this shows that I am already connected to the FTP server. So the left side here, this is your PC documents, PC stuffs, and the right side over here, the remote site, that is the FTP server location. So in case you want to upload in file, just you drag the file from the left side and you put it in the right side. That's it. It will be uploading. In case you want to download the files, just drag it from the right side and put it in the left side. In case inside any folder or any other preferred location. So that's it for now. In this video, we saw how to create an FTP account, how to change the password for the FTP account, how to set the quota for the FTP account, and how to delete the FTP account, how to configure the FTP client, and how to connect the FTP server using the FTP client like FileZilla. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.